Textile Merchandising Academy. Textile Training Best YouTube channel. Hi students. Hope you all should be fine and well with good health and prosperity. Viewer, today we will talk about textile merchandising and will explain its definition to all of you. If you are new to our channel, we request you that please like our channel and subscribe it, and kindly press bell icon button. So all informative coming videos notifications will be receiving to you, which you will watch. And that will be benefited for your career growth, and your knowledge will increase. Today's topic is, what is textile merchandising definition, and what its meaning. Will explain to you. Textile merchandising is not like a term used consumer product merchandising, where items keep in retail shops shelves for show off and then it's sale. When we talk about textile merchandising, so it is taken into a broader aspects, and same is considered. Textile merchandiser's responsibilities, activities and duties are entirely different than retail store merchandiser activities. FMCG, a retail store merchandiser, meaning is that items should be keep in best store location and at show-offs. So item will be clearly visible and should be looking attractive to customers, so most probably sale would be good. But when we talk about textile merchandising, so it has broader aspects. Means if textile merchandising is good or bad, so as product will fail or pass, factory winning or losing of customer or project is also depending on it. With good textile merchandising activity, new market and customers explore. With continuous textile merchandising activities, we engaged customers towards company, which creates additional order from same customers. So with good textile merchandising, customers are knowledgeable about their order's status and remains happy and satisfied, which leads toward company profit. Textile merchandiser are like bridge between customers and factory. With good textile merchandising, accomplish customers' order execution and project being done on time, with complete quantity and quality. Students, if you want to know textile merchandising definition, so it will define as following. This is the process in which we identify and understand that what customer want and what are their targets. And we as textile merchandiser achieve customers' target through our products and services, which we gave them in a time frame, with reasonable price, quality and quantity, which are successful merchandiser traits. So students, hopefully you now have an idea that what textile merchandising is all about, and how it is important job in textile field. In fact, textile merchandiser is a backbone in any textile company. So he gains special salary and incentives in his job from company along with international tours. So that we recommended that you should learn textile merchandising skills. So you will have a best career in life ahead. You will have a good life financially as well. So students, we hope that you have understood textile merchandiser role. In coming our videos, we will further deeply explain about textile merchandising. If you want to know further about textile merchandising and have any question in mind, so please write in comment section of this video. So we will give answer of all your queries. Further, if you want to learn any other textile knowledge, so also write in comment section, so we will make our next videos accordingly per your requirements. So all your questions will answered soon. We will wait for your comments and questions. In this video description we have also given all our Facebook pages links. In these links you will be finding a lot of textiles informations. Kindly also visit Facebook textiles merchandising pages as well for more information. So students, we are hopeful that you may like this video tutorial. So please keep watching Textile Merchandising YouTube channel and keep learning. Thank you so much for